Namaskar, welcome to Arson Woods. I am Ashish Mittal. Here I have a luxury bedroom set. A bed with two side tables and a dressing unit. I'll show you each of the items. But again, the point remains customized bespoke furniture made as per client's requirement. And this is what Arson is doing for global clients, not just for India. This set is going to Odisha in India itself, but 57 countries we are delivering to across the globe, and teak wood and this color combination metallic gold with white finish and black finish, so triple colors we have in this one. And this is again as per client's choice, as I mentioned earlier. Also, let me quickly give you the sizes, then I can explain further how the design is and the sizes. This one covers 10.5 feet of area on the wall along with the side tables from this end to that end, because the design is matching, because if you see here, is matching with the original design. So 10.5 feet of area this will cover. The side tables are 2 feet top, but the design, if you see also on the front part, the design has got a lot of curve, and that is why it's taking a little extra space on the ground. From front to back, this covers 9 feet of area. The back height is a little more than 6 feet, and this is a king size bed. King size in India is 6 feet by 6.5 feet mattress area. And if you see, the boxes are quite inside, so it's a hydraulic box, as I've shown you earlier also. So with the hydraulics, very easy to open and very easy to close. With the weight of the mattress, it becomes very easy in teak wood. And that is the best part. When we talk about teak wood, it remains for a lifetime. In fact, as the old saying goes, the dada lai pota barte, means your grandfather has got it, grandkids are using that. So this is that kind of stuff. And the color metallic gold with dual shade white and black finish. The design, as you see in the Italian, Egyptian, and in the Turkish design, you have seen these kind of designs a lot of times in pictures, but this is a real unit I am showing you. Along with this, I have a dressing unit. The dressing unit is 5 feet left to right, front to back 20 inches. The height of the table is 30 inches. Is 2.5 feet of height of the table, and then we have frame 4.5 feet by 3.5 feet frame area, and that makes it total 7 feet high. The drawers are here, a lot of space inside. So we have got 3 and 3 6 drawers that matches the style of the bed. And this is what the whole design is. We have got extra space here, and this works as a ottoman, you can say, or a bed bench that is generally outside the bed. But in this bed, the design is covering all the pattern itself. As you see, all the carving, and this is hand carved. That is the best part about our furniture, because so many people are involved: the master artisans, the carpenters, and the paint and polish guys who make it so beautiful, the cushion guys, and the carpenters who make the boxes and the hydraulics, and then the transport guys and the packing people. All these come together to make furniture for you, and that is the best part about our furniture, because it gives work to so many people when you order one unit. The designs are too many, because AI is making beautiful designs these days, and we are converting those designs also to reality. And these are also the catalog designs that were prepared earlier, and we are making it here, right here in our city, and delivering across the globe. 57 countries we have already delivered to. Arson is an international trademark registered in 35 countries, and all over India we are delivering. Everything bespoke, customized, made to order, as you wanted, size, design, color, the fabric. Even you want a different color fabric, we can provide you options in that as well, and deliver right to your home where you want it. And it's a full package, and that is what we are doing for global clients. Let us know what you want, how you want it, which combination, colors and sizes and designs, and we'll make it accordingly at factory price. That is the best part. At factory price we are making and delivering right to your home. One unit is here in luxury furniture. Arson has got the biggest collections and hundreds of videos on YouTube where I have explained everything about the design part, about the covers and this sizes, queen size, king size, super king size. We have made all the sizes as well. Each country has different sizes, and according to the country also, you can let us know. If you already have a mattress, we will make it according to the mattress. The basic remains the mattress size. Accordingly, the bed is designed. So you can let us know what size you want, and we'll make it and deliver right to your home. The number is right here. Please contact us. Thank you. Dhanyavad.